Taking that out. 23 Nissan Rogue. And we had cover, no tools required. And that was this guy right here. Two that pop upward like this. Tough to slip this guy back in. I pull with my fingertips. You can use a tool like, always in my descriptions. Go up under, go up under. And you're gonna need this one to pull this guy out. This, unfortunately, is on the back side. So it's actually toward the firewall, the engine. So you wanna grab this little push pin. If you can get it by your fingers, I tried, I couldn't feel for it. So I used this little pick and pulled as I pushed. Pull that down, and we had two 10 mils. One right there on that post, and one right there on the other post, if you can see. Yep, and those are right there. So let's get this thing out. I am really not happy with Nissan. You can't replace this bulb. It's LED. What is this thing? What is the part number of this thing? There it is. This 25590. Is it gonna focus or what? 6RAO A, whatever that is. But there you have it. Put it back the same way. And that is the opening right there. That's what it looks like. So let's put them back proper way. Leave it. And put the bolts back. Plug this guy back in. And there you have it. So like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.